Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Gorenje brand dishwasher and you're getting an error E10 and you're wondering what is this error and is there anything that I can do to get rid of it? Especially because if you're getting the E10 error, your dishwasher has probably stopped working. And that is because the E10 error is an overflow error. There's too much water inside the dishwasher. It's sensing too much water in there. And so the reason this is happening most of the time is not that the dishwasher is putting too much water in, it's that it's not properly draining. And so what we need to do to make sure that it's properly draining from the inside is we want to get in here and down at the bottom of the dishwasher. What can happen is, all kinds of food and debris and stuff like that can build up over time in the filters, in the screens, and into the pump, which is down here. We can actually unscrew it and access it down there. We just want to look in there and see if there's anything blocking the pump from turning, anything blocking the water from going out. And if you're able to get that cleared out, you should be able to get the water draining again so the dishwasher won't sense too much water in it and everything should be working fine again. So anyways, I hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.